What's up, tech nerds? Technology Show Off here, and today I'm going to be reviewing something. And that something is the ONN, the ONN brand 32-inch soundbar. I mentioned this soundbar in my previous video about reviewing this 4K 50-inch TV made by ONN also. Now I'm going to do a review on the soundbar and a sound demo with non-copyright music. Because if I play real music that has copyright, this video's just going to get copyright striked. So for the sound demo, I'm just going to have to play some non-copyright music. Just be safe. Anyway, here's the soundbar. As you can tell, it looks all sleek in the black. The front cover, it's a metal grill. Yeah, it's metal grill, all black. You can't really see what the speaker looks like. And there's your, I don't think you can see it, but right here where my thumb's sitting on, that's your light indicators that show your volume level and your equalizer levels and your power or standby light. Because when you turn the TV off, the soundbar goes in standby mode. You'll see a red light in the center whenever it's in standby mode. And on top of here, I hope you guys can see that. Here, I'll move over here. There's your buttons. There's your power button, your input button, your volume up and down, and your Bluetooth pair mode button. If you press that Bluetooth button, you'll put it in Bluetooth mode and automatically put in pairing mode where you can pair up your device to it. And here is the subwoofer. This thing's got a total of 280 watts, and here's the subwoofer. It might look kind of big on camera, but it's actually pretty small and compact. You got your main speaker right here. And the port where all the sound comes out is on the very back, right here. And that light means that it's on and connected. And yes, this is a wireless subwoofer. It wirelessly connects to the soundbar, so you don't have to worry about connecting a wire up to it. So that's pretty neat. And it's very, very loud. It's very loud. It sounds good. There's no distortion, even at full volume. Like, I was playing one song, the subwoofer was vibrating the windows. It packs a lot of punch for 280 watts. It's amazing, and it's pretty cheap too. You can get it on Walmart. It's Walmart's website, or at the Walmart store. And now I guess I'll go ahead and do a sound demo so you can get an idea of how it sounds. And before I do that, here's the remote for the soundbar. Your power button, your equalizer controls your bass up and down, your treble up and down, your volume, pause, play. I guess this is for if you have your phone connected to it with Bluetooth. This is how you can change your tracks, pause and play. And your pairing mode button, and your mute, and your source button. Yeah, it's pretty much basic controls on your remote. Alright, now for the sound demo. Let's see. I guess I'll go ahead and do this one. Actually, this one. I never heard these before, but let's see how good it sounds with this song. Yep, you can hear it. It thumps. It thumps a lot. And that's on 50% volume. And when you turn the volume up now, you can see the lights. That shows the levels of your volume. If you turn your treble, you'll see a green bars. You keep on pressing it, it's not showing. I mean, it's at max treble, and I have it set to max treble and max. I have it set to max treble and max bass for the best sound quality. Let's go ahead and back here. I'll turn it louder. This is on 61% volume. You can see it sounds pretty good, and I don't think you just heard it, but I heard a little echo. That's how loud this thing is. Let's try this other one. See how it sounds. It's buffering. There it goes. Let's find a different one. How about this one that's live? You can see how small the subwoofer is. 70% volume. I'm not gonna go all the way. I'm just gonna turn about 70% volume so you can hear how loud it is. You can tell it sounds very good. Alright, I had enough of a sound demo. I guess this will wrap up today's video. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and comment down below what you think of this soundbar. I think it's very good for how cheap it is. And it's 208 watts too. You can tell how great it sounds. Turning it down. Anyway, so if you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe. Just put down your comments of what you think of the video, and if you're interested in buying one of these, just let me know if you're gonna look for these at Walmart or on Walmart's website or wherever. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you next time.